So, you've worked hard preparing your winter garden, planted all your cold-hardy crops, mulched everything nicely, and maybe you're feeling pretty confident that pests are a thing of the past. But here's the reality. Winter doesn't actually wipe your garden slate clean. In fact, some of the toughest pests are just getting cozy, waiting out the cold so they can wreak havoc when spring arrives. If you're all about growing simple, sustainable, organic, go ahead and like and subscribe now. I'm always sharing new tips and tricks you can use right away. Let's start with the basics. Which pests are sticking around under cover of winter? Aphids and greenfly eggs like to hide on the underside of your leaves. Cabbage moth and worm pupae burrow deep into soil or mulch. Slugs and snails? They're tucked under boards, rocks, and those empty pots you forgot to put away. Spider mites rest in plant debris, while beetles hide in the soil's tiniest cracks. Once you know who your winter squatters are, you can target their favorite hiding spots. Now here's a common mistake: going overboard with cleanup. It's tempting to clear everything out, but you actually want to be strategic. Remove any leaves or stems that are diseased or crawling with pests, but keep healthy mulch and some plant debris. That way, you're protecting all those good microbes and helpful bugs your soil needs to thrive. Next, let's talk about pest shelters. Slugs, snails, beetle larvae. They're all hiding somewhere predictable. Flip over any loose boards, bricks, or old containers. Pull out weeds and those little volunteer seedlings popping up in odd places. They're perfect pest hotels. And give the top inch of soil around your plants a gentle turn every week or so. You'll disrupt any hidden pupae before they get a chance to mature. Winter is the time for prevention, not reaction. Try spraying neem oil under leaves to disrupt overwintering eggs, or rinse with horticultural soap every couple of weeks to keep mites and aphid populations down. Sprinkle a little diatomaceous earth around your brassicas and greens, and plant cover crops like winter rye or clover to block weeds and break pest cycles before they even start. Don't forget about your natural allies. Ladybug larvae spend winter in leaf clusters. Ground beetles and birds are out there helping you. Give them a little encouragement by leaving mulch and providing a water source or bird feeder. Your garden's quiet winter workers are powerful partners. Finding a few pests right now? Don't stress. Winter gives you time to make a real difference. Small, steady steps now mean you won't be scrambling to fight a big outbreak in the spring. So, focus on smart cleanup, pest hideout patrols, gentle organic sprays, and letting nature lend a hand. Come spring, you'll be rewarded with healthier plants and way fewer pests. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more easy organic gardening tips. We're all growing and learning together here, every season. See you in the next one.